Hi, my name is Jamie Lynn Smith and I'm here to do a review on the Mini Dingo Chicken in the Middle Grill House Chicken Crisps for the SmartPetGuide.com. Dingo Grill House is a longer lasting combo treat made with real chicken. Each wholesome chicken crisp delivers irresistible taste that lasts longer to extend the joy of treating to your dog. And with real chicken in the middle, it's like they just came off the grill. Of course, the most important thing is the ingredient panel on any dog treat that you're going to give your dog. So as I look at this one, I see that it has a high level of protein. 50% crude protein is the minimum amount. There's high quality ingredients. It's made with real chicken. It's packed with protein. They're 93% fat free. They're longer lasting and they actually help clean teeth. So we know snack time is the best part of your dog's day, so why not make it more rewarding with a unique treat that really satisfies? Let's try these out. Come here, boys. Franklin.
I'm going to, hold on. Frank's much slower at eating cookies. How was that, Beans? I wish they would sit together.
As you can see, these treats really do last longer.
Do it again.
As you can see, these treats really do last longer. And on the website, consumers gave this brand 4.5 out of 5 stars on every review on over 75 reviews told. You like that, Frank? I think in the Bassett base camp that's known as the Smith household that we're now going to be a Dingo Grill House Chicken Crisps household.
Mm-hmm.